The BAS-311G and BAS-326G perform attractive sewing faithful to the sewing data at high speed. Through the adoption of the high rigidity feed mechanism with servo control, high precision sewing is available. Feed drifting, which can occur with electronic sewing machines, does not occur. Sewing data is resolved at 0.05 mm per pulse for the feed to be carried out, so slanted and curved lines are sewn beautifully and smoothly. The height of the stepping presser foot can be set in the sewing data. When the thickness of the material changes during sewing, excessive lifting and pressing of the presser foot is prevented and uniform thread tightness can be obtained. On the BAS-311G and 326G, Brothers' original direct drive motor has been adopted, which will perform at a maximum sewing speed of 2,700 RPM. As starting and stopping of sewing is also quick, the machine time has been reduced by approximately 19%, enhancing productivity. With the power-saving compact motor, electrical power consumption has been reduced to approximately 50% of the previous models. Low power consumption makes the operation more economical. The improved motor power provides increased needle penetration, which enhances the sewing of heavy materials. With the BAS-311G and 326G, the work clamp lifter mount can be set at the operation panel without using any tools. And besides, the work clamp lowering operation can be selected from 3 types. Two-step lowering enables quick and accurate positioning of materials and reduces the total cycle time. One-step lowering makes a quick pressing operation. It is suitable for occasions when positioning materials with the work clamp is not necessary. Analog lowering can be used to lower the work clamp with making delicate positioning. With the BAS-311G and 326G, a programmer is available for sewing data creation. It provides programming while allowing the shape of the pattern to be checked on its large, easy-to-view colour LCD. Sewing data can also be managed using the programmer functions for data image display, copying and movement of sewing data. For sewing data creation with your PC, please use PS300B. Complex sewing data can be created with simple operations. The order of stitches to be sewn can easily be checked and changed. The large capacity memory of BAS-311G and 326G allows the storage of up to 512 programs. For smooth handling of large amounts of data, the compact flashcard has been adopted, enabling fast reading and writing of data. The BAS-311G and BAS-326G, the direct drive programmable electronic pattern sewers, which create beautiful stitches at high speed. We assure high sewing quality and productivity while achieving savings on energy.
Rosa.